Umar Khalid was denied bail by the Delhi High Court in connection with the 2020 Delhi riots case. India today has now accessed the court order. The court has observed there appears to be a premeditated conspiracy for causing disruptive Chakka jam and pre-planned protests at different planned sites in Delhi, which was engineered to escalate to confrontational Chakka jam and incitement to violence and culminate in riots in natural course on specific days. That's the latest coming in. Kanu Sharda joins us for the latest. Kanu, I'm made to believe that the trial court rejected the bail. Then the High Court has rejected the bail. The option now in front of Umar Khalid is to appeal to the Supreme Court. What are you picking up on that front from his lawyers? And of course, a few more details as far as this court order is concerned, on the basis of which the bail has been denied.
I've spoken to the legal team of Umar Khalid, and they have said that they will go to the detailed judgment and then approach the Supreme Court seeking the similar relief for the bail. As far as the 52-page order released by the Delhi High Court in the Umar Khalid case is concerned, the High Court has very categorically said that the protest planned was not a typical protest and normal in the political culture or democracy. And the High Court has also went on to say that the terrorism is an act done with a view to disturb the even tempo of society, creating a sense of fear in mind of a section of society. So the observations by the High Court will be a difficult task for the legal team of Umar Khalid to get the defense ready in the Supreme Court. And the High Court has also went on to say that the CDR records show that Umar Khalid was present at the protest site, and which was clearly defended by the Umar Khalid's team in the High Court. So the strategy of the Khalid legal team will have to be seen in the coming days as to on what grounds they will raise the issue before the Supreme Court now.
And of course, the court must have said they do not find any kind of merit in this particular bail appeal, and hence they have dismissed it. Further going on to observe that this must be a premeditated conspiracy for causing disruptive Chakka jam and pre-planned protests at different planned sites in Delhi. What was the defense coming in from Umar Khalid's legal team in the light of all these arguments as well, which led to this particular order come out?
Umar Khalid's legal team had argued before the High Court that the WhatsApp group which was created, he was not part of it, and he has just messaged on one particular WhatsApp group, which was denied by the High Court in the judgment. And it says that the Khalid presence at the protest and its WhatsApp group proved that he was very much there and involved in the entire conspiracy. And it was also said that the CDR analysis shows that there are flurry of post-riot case incidents by Umar Khalid and his associates. So it will be really difficult to rubbish all kinds of the observations which were observed by the High Court. So the task is difficult.
So the prosecution was continuously stressing upon the speech that Umar Khalid had given in Amravati as well. If you could give us some sense of that part of the argument from the prosecution side too.
Yes, the Amravati February 2020 speech which was given by Umar Khalid was cited by the prosecution before the High Court, saying that his speech has led to the provocation of speeches in Delhi and has created a sense of disturbance out here. But this particular thing was considered by the High Court, and High Court has rightly said that yes, that the speech does make some difference for the protesters right out here.
Khalid's presence on several of these WhatsApp groups, please explain to us, is that what has gone against him while the bail dismissal is on? Because the court somewhere also perhaps would be viewing this in a larger perspective than piecemeal arguments in this case.
Yes, the presence of, it was argued by the Khalid's legal team that there were 5 WhatsApp groups that were alleged by the prosecution in the charge sheet, but the Khalid was part of only 2, and they said that only in one of the groups he was an active member. But the High Court in its order has clearly said that he was a member of WhatsApp group of Muslim students of JNU, and he participated in various meetings at Jantar Mantar, Jangpura and other things. And he also referred to the, in one of his WhatsApp, that the USA president, then USA President Donald Trump was on his visit to India, and how it, so these kind of messages.
Did
which
any
were
of the
sent
speeches,
by
whether it
Umar
was
Khalid
made in
into the
Amravati
WhatsApp
in the
group,
context of the CAA, or you know, any other speeches that he has made against the government and his policies, can that amount to UAPA is the question?
Yes, that needs to be seen by in the detailed thing, that how the High Court has held that all these kind of cases fall under the category of the UAPA, because the limited question that the High Court was seeing here is the bail which was challenged by of the trial court in the High Court. So the limited point, because it was not hearing the sections that are being imposed on him, it is only on the bail point. So these things need to be analyzed when the case gets...
So, Kanu, you know, there have been arguments made by the prosecution and the defendants both, and the Delhi High Court has come to a conclusion that the bail plea has been dismissed, and now the defendants plan to approach the Supreme Court in this particular matter. We'll keep you updated as we go along the way.